Hi, my name's Alfredo. I'm on the team here at UpFirst. I wanted to create a quick video because I often hear from companies who have a phone number that employees need to call into in order to report that they're going to be absent or report that they're going to be late. And then I usually hear from those companies that what they want to do is have two things happen. They want that information logged somewhere, whether that be in a simple spreadsheet like you see here, or whether that be in a system like Bamboo or Workday. So I want to cover how you can create an AI receptionist that performs these actions and handles these kinds of calls for you. First things first, I'm going to head to UpFirst, which is our AI receptionist platform. I'm going to do a quick test call so you can hear what it would sound like if somebody was calling in late. And then I'll walk through the setup from end to end so that you can see how it can be customized to collect the information that you want from employees and to follow the script that you'd like. So first things first, I'm going to do a call. I'll put it on speakerphone.
Thank you for calling Acme Warehousing. Are you calling to report an absence or a late arrival?
I'm going to be late.
Just to confirm, this is Alfredo Salkeld from the shipping department, and Amy Garcia is your manager, correct?
That's right.
Thanks for confirming. What time does your shift start?
It was supposed to start at 11:30 this morning.
Got it. 11:30 in the morning. When do you expect to arrive?
I'll be there probably closer to 1 p.m.
Understood. You're expecting to arrive around 1 in the afternoon. Could you let me know the reason for your late arrival?
Yeah, actually, my car broke down.
Thank you for letting me know. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Thanks for calling. We'll pass this info along to your manager.
Okay, so we see the call has come in. Right away, we see who called, whether it is a late arrival or an absence. And if we click on the call, we can listen to the recording, we get a full transcript, and we get all of the details at the top, like who is the person's manager, what department are they from, when did their shift start, when are they expecting to arrive. And all of this will be sent in an email to this person's manager. Let me show you how you can customize what information the receptionist collects. We'll click on Agent. Under Agent Settings, you'll see you can adjust the greeting message, the goodbye message, the voice, how quickly it talks. But under Training, this is really where you're going to want to tell the receptionist exactly how you'd like the call to flow and what information to collect. And you just write it out in plain English. So you'll see, I have always collect the following information from callers: full name, department, manager, will they be late or absent? What's the reason for the late arrival or absence? And if they're going to be late, then find out when does their shift start, when do they expect to be here. And then we have these additional instructions. If you already have their name, department, or manager on file, repeat this info back to them instead of collecting it. This way, the first time somebody calls in, they share their name, they share their manager, and the receptionist remembers it for later. You can also upload contacts. So if you have a spreadsheet with a list of all of your employees and who their manager is, or any other information that you want the receptionist to already know when that person calls in, you can upload that under contacts. Let me show you how you can adjust who gets notified. I'll click on Agent and click on Notifications. And here you can add as many people on your team as you'd like, and they can be notified by email, by text message, or both, and you can set conditions for each one. So, for example, only email Amy if the caller confirms she is their manager. Or maybe you want Amy to get all of the emails, but you only want her to get texted if the caller says it's an emergency. We would add a condition here. Only text if the caller says it is an emergency. And then you would just add the phone number for the person that you want to be notified of these calls. So how do you pass this info to other systems? Using Zapier, you can create a flow so that all of the information that the receptionist collects gets passed to whatever system you'd like. And it's very simple. You just connect the app you'd like to pass the info to, and then you map the fields. So you'll see in my spreadsheet over here, I've got a column for team member name, phone number, later absent, manager, etc. And then I just map the fields in Zapier. If you're the DIY type, this is super easy, but if not, we do have a full support team who can help set these things up for you, so don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions.